The countdown is on. You have less than 2 weeks to file your taxes. They're actually due on the 17th this year. Now, one way to get them done really fast, go online. Bob Meehan of TurboTax is here with help for procrastinators. Good to see you, Bob.
Good to see you. Thank you.
Now, I understand there was actually a study that showed what American city has the most tax procrastinators. Which one?
Well, the top cities this year are San Francisco, New York, followed by Washington, D.C. But I have to say that Phoenix ranked number 17, so good job, Phoenix residents.
All right, I still know there's so many people here who have not even come close to getting their taxes done. What are tips that you have, simple tips on getting it done on time?
First of all, you're not alone, so don't panic. 30 million other Americans still have to file their tax return. The first tip, though, is go online. It's fast, it's convenient, and most importantly, it's easy. It's going to walk you through the process of doing your taxes. It's going to help you identify all the deductions and credits that you're entitled to. It's going to move the numbers to the right place on the right forms. And when you're ready to file, click the mouse, and you can electronically file your return to the IRS. And you can get your refund in as little as 7 to 10 days versus 4 to 6 weeks if you paper file your tax return.
Yeah, it really is easy for anyone who hasn't tried it before. What about if you're still worried, I'm not sure if I'm going to get it done, and you want to file an extension?
Okay, 10 million taxpayers will actually end up filing an extension. So if you're in that camp where you know that you just don't have enough time to do your taxes, file an extension. It's free. You can do it online. You can do it at TurboTax.com. The great thing is it gives you an additional 6 months of time to file your return. Now, however, it doesn't give you additional time to pay. So if you owe Uncle Sam some money, you got to make sure you pay Uncle Sam by April 17th to have a valid extension.
Any common, mistakes that people make when they're filing online?
Well, by going online, you eliminate all the math mistakes, the tax technical mistakes. The IRS will tell you, though, it's kind of sort of the silly mistakes. People writing in the wrong Social Security number, and even more surprisingly, it's misspelling your spouse or your children's names.
Wow, that's interesting. Any last-minute deductions?
Certainly, even though there's less than 2 weeks to go, there are some great tax deductions that I want to make sure that your viewers don't overlook. First one, most Americans give to charity. I want to highlight just 2 of them. If you give to charity or give items like clothing or furniture to your charity, that can be deducted, as well as the mileage that you incur to deliver those goods to the charity. Many Americans are also looking for work or have relocated to take a job in a new city. Job search expenses as well as moving expenses may be deducted on your tax return. And then if you want to make an IRA contribution to your retirement plan, you can do that as late as April 17th and still take a deduction on your 2011 taxes. So yes, there's still time to save money on your 2011 taxes.
And where are you now? It looks like a call center.
I'm in Tucson, Arizona, where we have one of our major support centers, and we have literally hundreds of agents, tax experts ready to answer our customers' questions, because we know everyone has questions at tax time, and we're ready to answer those questions.
So even if you e-file, you can get your questions answered.
Absolutely. You can go online. You can use our resources online at TurboTax.com, or you can call any of our hundreds of tax experts here in Tucson.
All right. Sounds good. Well, thanks so much for talking with us.
I appreciate it. Thank you.
And for more information, everyone, it's TurboTax.com.